he is one of our team member and he is very funny. This is my chair and my system. ये ऑफिस अभी मेरा शिफ्ट हुआ है बिजनेस पे से. Oh man, we are at the 52 floor. 52.
The view, I love the view.
ये ब्लॉग वीडियो मेरी इस iPhone 15 Pro Max से फर्स्ट ब्लॉग वीडियो है और ये मैं जहाँ पे हूँ इस ऑफिस में. ये ऑफिस अभी मेरा शिफ्ट हुआ है बिजनेस पे से यहाँ इंटरनेट सिटी में. तो ये फर्स्ट डे मेरे ऑफिस का भी है, यानी इस न्यू ऑफिस का. तो देख सकते हो यहाँ पे पूरा ये खाली पड़ा हुआ है. जो अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट के लोग हैं वो लोग अपना सारा का सारा सामान यहाँ पे ला के शिफ्ट कर चुके थे फ्राइडे को ही पुराने बिजनेस डे वाले ऑफिस से यहाँ पे. सो ये सेक्शन जो है ये हमारा टेक्निकल का है और ये उधर जो लास्ट में वो होगा सेल्स का और उसके बाद में जो ये वाला सेक्शन है ये होगा इम्प्लीमेंटेशन का. सो दिस कैबिन विल बी फॉर द टेक्निकल टीम एंड सम ऑफ आवर टेक्निकल टीम मेंबर्स आर हियर. So today Saturday and we are very few. We came here to set up the things. We bring all the equipment from the old office. Then we came here. So now I'm going to ask with my team, technical team, how they find this new office and what they think about new office as compared to our business bay old office. So I will start with Yusuf. So Yusuf, how do you find this office?
I'm completely impressed with this place. No doubt the interior, the outside view, all are amazing. So it's actually a best place, I can say.
Now I'll move to the Agat. He is one of our team member and he is very funny and he cracks jokes on point every time. So Agat, how do you feel about this office and as compared to the old one, how do you find this new office, Polaris new office in Internet City?
Well, so far so good. It's actually very nice place. The interior is amazing. The view, I love the view. It's maybe like say a very new place. I may feel like more used to the old one, but let's build make new memories in this new place.
Yeah, exactly. As he mentioned, as Agat mentioned, I agree with him. And sometimes when you work in the old office, you feel comfortable and you get used to with that office. So I agree with him. But yeah, getting new office, new environment, it makes up like something new and it's make excited to us. The thing he mentioned about the view, it's very fantastic. We can see directly from our office window the Burj Arab building, and yeah, the view is very fantastic. As you can see the views from here directly from our office window. So I'll move to the next and he's Mr. Ajmal. He's our team lead and he will. I'll ask him how he find the new office as compared to the old one.
First of all, the office location, we are located in Internet City. So this is the ID hub of Dubai. So it's very excited to work here, and the ambience here inside the office and the interiors. It's very amazing, guys. Very amazing. So thumbs up.
So now we are going to have one tour of our office and downstairs and ground floor, those things. So yeah, this is for our technical team. This is my chair and my system, and straight from here I can see Al Burj Al Arab building. See, as you can see. And basically we are not here today for work. We came here to set up the things. Everything got set up and as you can see the equipments are here. And for the technical team we set up because without technical we cannot run. So now we are going to the outside and I'll show you the outside view of this office. We are waiting for the lift. See,
We were at B1 actually.
Abwab Tughlaq.
I pressed G, so ground. He gets slapped in his own video.
Okay. Now we came at the ground floor and this is the view from ground floor. So this is the view from outside of the office, from the back side of office. And here we have Airtel office. There we have Airtel office, and where we have BBC office. So yeah, there are like multiple offices, and I'm new here, so I'm exploring. But yeah, I heard there are every companies which is like Meta and Google. Their offices is also here. The Meta and Google, those things I heard because this is the internet city and one of the tech area of Dubai. So yeah, this is our new office backside look, and see that side is business bay. before we were working there in Business Bay. Because we have Zomato and Swiggy, and here we have Kareem and Deliveroo. So they are the delivery partners. Now we are having our office tour. So office tour में हम लोग जा रहे हैं top floor पे. Now we are going at the top floor to check how is it looks like from our building to outside.
And we will throw further while he is filming, so you can see the whole view.
The
Yeah,
ears
phone
are,
also.
Nice speed just because of speed. We can feel like we
ears
are in
are
a,
getting.
We are in the top right.
it feels like we are in a flight.
Oh, I think we.
Oh man, we are at the 52 floor. 52. We can't breathe properly. We have to take oxygen here, man.
And we are fasting, so
Yeah, even
this
that.
food, this water, and now this oxygen. The stairs
Okay, let's go with the stairs.
are improving.
See the man from Syria, directly from Syria.
Directly from stairs?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not bad. Don't go inside.
And it's locked. We cannot go outside, but the pressure we can feel here in the ears. So we are going again back down because we didn't find any door to go out. So now we will go at 15th floor.
Put 25. Yeah, it ends at 29, so it's 29, right? Okay.
Now we are going at 29. So now we came again to our office because we didn't get any way to go outside, see the view from outside. And I'll show you the view from our office.